Hello and welcome friends. This is apart from our regular Nifty analysis on daily chart. This is just a short video for people who cannot give full time on trading, and they just want to know, like they want to keep a weekly position, or they cannot be in front of the computer for trading and checking all the 5 minutes candle. For them this is like short term positional educational video. So in this video we will see how to predict the market direction. As I told you, from last 2-3 days I have been telling that there was a gap was formed on 28th of November. If you follow my videos, I have been telling here on 28th of November there was a gap formed. Okay, 25th of November actually. So this was the level on 22nd of November, which was Friday, and from this level from this level, there was a from this level to this level, this was the high of 22 November and this is the low of 25 November. So this gap was formed. Now whenever such gaps formed, I have been repeatedly telling in my daily analysis that market doesn't like gaps and market Nifty will come down to fill this gap. But these gap borders are very powerful support and resistance. So on the next day it tried to come here, but it took support and again went up, and from after next to next, like it is on 27th of November, again it took the support and it went up, and finally on 28th of November all these candles, they broke the gap and they actually it went below the other gap border, like this high, it went below this. So this gap was filled by these candles on 28th of November. Now Nifty's work is done, the gap is filled, now it has to go up. So you see from this they have it is trying to take support. The next day, like 2nd December, it was trying to fall, but again it reversed because now the gap is filled. Now somehow market has to stabilize and it has to move and continue our upward journey. So, and today also if you see, it got reversed. First candle was red, big red candle, but again it got reversed and it broke the high of the first red candle, and then the reversed journey continued. So this is a kind of indication. Even I was telling you, you have to follow this daily chart analysis. Nifty on a daily time frame, if you see daily time frame, I have nothing else than 20 EMA. Whenever the market was below 20 EMA, like from you say 3rd October, it could not break the 20 EMA, it was trading below the 20 EMA. Now finally here, this candle 25th November, as we went on the 5 minutes chart, 25th of November, the market was above the 20 EMA, but there was a gap formed, and which is that gap? This gap was there. Okay, from here to this point there was a gap formed. Now what happened, if you observe carefully, on this day 28th of November, the gap was filled by this candle, and then after the once the gap is filled, this gap border is of no value, so you can remove this gap border. Now whatever, like if the support is broken or resistance is broken or the gap border is filled, then it is of no relevance. It loses its power once it is powerful as long as it is virgin, nobody breaks it. So once it is broken or it is filled, it is no longer powerful, or it is less powerful. So one more pattern happened here. If you see, this 20 EMA was broken from top by this candle on 28th of November, and the next day this candle has closed above the 20 EMA. So this is a perfect setup for This is like, you can call it as a false breakout. You know, this candle, 28th November candle, has broken the 20 MA from top, and the next day candle has closed it above the 20 MA. So this is, so this actually, this was the first indication that this is the reversal has started. What was prior to that? Prior to that was this gap border. Once the gap border is filled, now Nifty's work is done. Nifty has filled the gap border. Now it has to go on its upward journey. This, the second confirmation was 28th November candle, which closed above the 20 MA. Now if you see 2nd December candle, it also tried to go below the 20 MA, but it could not sustain, it could not break that 20 MA, and it actually went up the opening day. So this 2nd December candle is again a bullish candle, properly taking support on 20 MA. But this area, if you see, this area was a big resistance, because you know, because if you see 1 2 3 4, 4 candles could not break this, 4 days. This was the top form, and this was a, now if you see, today's candle has closed exactly above this top. So now I was telling you from last few days, from past week, that gap border is there, market will come to fill the gap border, and then it will reverse. Market work of filling the gap border is completed. Now it will move upward. So this is my prediction, this was my prediction, that it will go up. And this is just for your information, that you can predict like this how the market will behave. As long as some important level is broken on the daily chart, you can predict that for a short term where the market will take it. But unless it is broken, like for me, the most important thing on daily time frame is 20 EMA. Okay, I hope guys you would have learned something new, and I will keep posting like these videos, and let us know in comment section if you like it, you want any changes, or you have any queries, comments or something. I'll try to resolve it. Thank you, bye bye, take care.